So this is my Disston D8 thumb hole rip saw I bought at an antique store. Cleaned it up, put the blade through some citric acid, shined it up with some sanding blocks, and then I sharpened the blades, jointed it straight, and then I sharpened the blade, and I just want to see how well it works. You start the cut. Once you get going, it goes pretty quick. There you go. Stay it on the line. That's the cut. You clean it up with plane. But it's a pretty straight cut. Pretty fast too for being an old antique tool. Find one of these in the flea market or antique store. Buy it, clean it up, sharpen it. You'll have a tool that'll last you for a lifetime.